Hey guys, what's up, wagwan my people. You know me there clean up some pork for season him up for jerking tomorrow in the day they do. And live me go jerk it, but you know me can't wait till tomorrow for season it up, cause you know I want the season for marinate tonight and a pork, yeah? So me that try all out for season up the thing live on live show my people them, but it not gonna work. So here are my people. Well, wash off the pork, clean him up and dash some season pan him. So here are me I do the video of this so that you can see it. Alrighty. Then the first thing we want to wash up your pork real good, yeah? These are some lovely pork I get to buy at the meat house from Andrew. Andrew is the person that I buy my meat from to get my fresh meat and everything. I love the smell of the lemon, of the sour oranges people. I love the scent of it. So I don't know enough people, I continue to wash my meat until I am satisfied that it is clean enough to my desire. So this is just a short video showing you how to season your pork when you are going to jerk it. So I'm adding some vinegar to my pork. We're going to continue to wash our meat. So as soon as you finish wash your pork and clean up your pork, you want to pat dry it just to take away some of the excessive water from it, right? So that's when you put your season on it. You know, your pork really seasoned, people never get a good jerk pork yet. You never name a good jerk pork. Then you know what I'm talking about. You see, after we finish this now, people, I'm going to dash on the season on it and rub him with the 2 hands or with 1 hand. Anyhow you're comfortable. Whether it's your 2 hands or your 1 hand. Right, so it was drying before, so it's not all that wetty, you know. But I just got to demonstrate back to you guys. Alrighty. So first up, we want to add some paprika. So that's some ground paprika. In with our salt. And we're using some all-purpose season here. Then we are adding some browning. And you know the season you can't leave out people. Oh no, want me tell you. Somebody want to tell me? Oh no, blend up season. Oh no, cannot leave that out. Yeah, that's why you see me not too worry much about a lot of powder season and the pork, you know, cause guess what? That's some black pepper I'm putting, I'm dashing on it as well. Alright, so this is our blend up season, right? And it is on the channel, guys. This is on the channel where I show you from stage 1, from stage 0 to 10. how to blend your season. Alrighty? So we can't do without this, none at all. We can't do without blend up season, alright? That's why I'm not too worried about powder season, as I mentioned earlier on. Because I don't have my blend up. And see, from I have my blend up my pimento, my scallion, my onion, my garlic, cloves, my ginger. Guys, run on over to the channel. This is on the channel, alright? This is how Jamaican. The Jamaican them use whenever time them do them chicken or them pork or them roast them fish. Hey, just run on over to the channel, guys. You sure will find it over there because you can't do without it, you know. You need it. Yeah? You need it. So I eat me a dash on the pork, you know, and I eat go make the pork nice. Yeah, man. So I will give that a good massage. Yeah? A good rubber dub. Just to jelly in everything. Yeah, we want to jelly in everything nice and smooth. Alright. I know not see me just dash on the season. I'm not telling you how much tablespoon, how much teaspoon, how much this and that. But guys, I will list it in the description box. But sometimes to do when I'm busy, I don't get to list the things in the description box. But feel free to ask any question you want to ask about this jerk pork here. But first thing first, this is what you need to do. And then you need to put it down for 24. You want to know overnight marination, right? You know that is the best, right, guys? Overnight marination. So we want to massage that here. You know, nice and gently. We don't in no rush or no hurry. Because tomorrow, boy, I go on fire, you know, and I go see your boy brown and pretty. I don't know another house I will love spicy food, don't. So I go dash on some pepper right, pan it right, you know, my people. Alright, now my peeps, so this is our lovely pork, well seasoned, but I have some bad boy pepper here. You know, I have to throw them on. So we're going to boil it with them pepper here. And tomorrow, that you know, my people. So catch you tomorrow and live. So we bust them, man. Squeeze them, you know. Just burst them a little. So then release out that flavor then when you throw it in the pot. So I eat that, my people. So we're going to wrap this now and stack this back in the fridge. Please remember, when you season your meat and you're leaving it for overnight, you need to put it back in your fridge. Store it in your fridge, guys. Don't leave it out, alright? Do not leave it out. Yeah, man, so I eat that, my people. Catch you tomorrow. So this is how Jamaican season them pork. You see how that looking lovely already, my people? Right, so this is just a short tutorial video showing you how to season your pork. Right, how to get your pork nice and jello. Alrighty. So there is jerk pork video that is on the channel. You can go back and you watch that. Show you from zero, from A to Z. Alrighty. So don't worry, I have got you covered. Whether it is jerk chicken or jerk pork or fish, anything at all, it is there, my people. Just run on over to the channel, like it, subscribe, and share the channel for my people. Send up the love and peace. I'm out.